up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have some very exciting news. I don't know if you guys saw, but I finally hit 100K on YouTube. I know I don't post that much and I'm really trying to, but life is really getting in the way with everything I'm doing right now, so I haven't had really time to edit and stuff, but promise I will get to that. But we hit 100,000 subscribers. That is so insanely crazy to me. Like, honestly, like, holy shit. Like, I can't believe that I hit 100K. That's just, it blows my mind, it really does. So I just want to say thank you guys for all the constant love, all the constant support and everything. It really means a lot to me. But yeah, so I'm so excited because look what just came in the mail. Oh yeah, this bad boy. And I'm gonna unbox it for you guys, and I'm just so excited to hang this on my wall, and I can't believe that I actually get one of these with my name on it. That's probably like the coolest ever, honestly. I just wanna like cradle it and hug it like a baby. Okay, all right, anyways, let's get to opening this bad boy. Let's open this bad boy, okay? So I got some nice scissors right here. Okay, be sure not to cut yourself, like me. I don't know how to use scissors. Other side done. I have to open the bottom side. Imagine they spell my name wrong. Don't jinx it. Okay. Oh my god. Look at this. Under this. Okay, I will read this to you guys right now. Like a thick ass paper. This thing, you guys. Look how cool this is. Holy sh! I honestly still can't believe it. I still can't believe that I have one of these. I am way too excited. Wow, she is just beautiful. Holy cow. Okay. Sorry, I'm just getting way too excited right now. All right. Let me read this piece of paper that was in this to you guys. It says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan, I don't know how to say your last name, CEO YouTube. Wow, guys. It's like, I'm so excited, I'm sweating right now. Okay, we're gonna take it out. This beautiful box, what is this? This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you so much, Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us at blah, blah, blah. All right, let's take this bad boy out of the box. Yeah. It's in the plastic. We'll take it out of the plastic. Wow. Okay. Do you see this? You can see me in it, but oh my gosh, it has my name on it and everything. Next one up is the 1 million one, guys. We'll get there one day, but no, I'm actually really proud of myself for being able to do something this cool and just stuff like that. It's insane to me, it really is, but yeah. I just wanted to make this a quick, short little video of me unboxing my YouTube plaque. This is probably the coolest shit to happen to me in a really long time. I'm so excited to finally just hang this on my wall. It's gonna be just right front and centered of everything. This is just crazy. I'm honestly speechless right now. I don't even know what to say. I'm just, that's how I feel right now. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for all the love and support again. I wouldn't be here without you guys and I really appreciate it. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe and we'll see you next time.